Welcome to Bear Creek Lodge, Unit 213. Let's head in for a full video walkthrough. So right to the left when you enter, you've got a closet which can be locked off. Pretty good size. Right into one of the major highlights, this open design living room connected with dining and kitchen. So just really nice space here, 1,413 square feet. It's got some of the essentials like a patio, a fireplace, its own washer dryer. Complex also has a pool, multiple hot tubs, sauna, fitness, fire pits, and more. Head back in and finish the interior tour. Property's being offered fully furnished, turnkey, and ready to go. Nicely appointed kitchen. The extra bar stools. We'll turn the corner and head down to the bedrooms. This closet is where the stackable washer dryer is, which is really nice to have for those extended stays. This door is typically left locked. It's an additional exit. We'll head into bedroom number one, which has got two queens. Just a really big open floor plan. Every room has nice proportions. Both bedrooms have ensuite bath and large closets. Jetted tub with shower combo. And into the primary suite. Really generous space. Another closet that can be locked. Let's take a quick look. Pretty good size by all accounts. And again, just plenty of space over here for additional sitting area, desk. Feels really nice. Views towards the north. And we'll peek in the full bath. Another jacuzzi tub shower combo. Kind of best of both worlds. And that will do it for the tour of Bear Creek Lodge 213.